Okay, this is a quick example of my Multiscene editing plugin for Unity. I've got a single scene loaded at the moment, blue cube, and I can drag another scene into the hierarchy view. So for example, green capsule, if I drag that scene in here, it gets loaded. As soon as you drag another scene into the hierarchy, that's when it enables the plugin. So you start to see a header on the current scene that you've got loaded, so blue cube, and you can see which one's current up here in the title bar as well. And you can also see the second scene here, green capsule, is loaded. Now I can edit both scenes at the same time. So for example, if I wanted to move the capsule, I can do that. I can switch scenes. So for example, I'm in blue cube at the moment. I want to double click on green capsule to make that the current one. You'll notice there that the game view changed colour. That's because when you switch scenes, it automatically enables and disables any cameras that have got the same sorting order. So for example, on here we've got the blue camera and that's been disabled. Usually you wouldn't have multiple cameras in your scenes if you're loading them in the same time, but if you do, it copes. And the other thing you'll notice there is the objects change colour. That's not done with the camera, that's done with the render settings. So if I go to render settings here, you can see that in my green capsule scene, I've got the ambient light set to green. If I switch to the blue scene, render settings, you can see that it's blue. So yeah, you've got a few different things. You can let's load another scene in. So we've got the red sphere. So you can lock scenes. So for example, if I wanted to lock the position of the green capsule, I can click on the lock. Now if I've got multiple things selected, only the objects in the scenes that aren't locked will be moved and editable. Notice that it's tracking the saves. So you can save individual scenes. So there we go. Or if I press Command S or Control S, it'll save them all. You can also switch the visibility on and off on different scenes. Oops. There we go. What else can you do? So most of this set active, that's just done with double clicking, remove scene. That just removes that scene. So all scenes, hide, lock, and you can also create new scenes here as well. So there you go, brand new scene. Switch to it if I want to create stuff. So yeah, the current scene shown with the minus and in bold and also on the title bar is the scene that new objects will be created in. So if I create a new object, let's create a cylinder. There we go. Yeah. Save that. Save. And that pretty much wraps it up for now. I'm looking for beta testers, so if this looks useful for you, please contact me on Twitter, and hopefully I'll have this in the asset store as soon as possible.